Welcome to Germany. See, are you an Indian student or someone from abroad looking to study in Germany? You've come to the right place. I'm Akshay, also known as Gagan, an Indian student currently living in Germany. On this channel, I share everything you need to know about university admissions in Germany, including the step-by-step process, tips, and insights to make your application successful. From navigating the paperwork to understanding the visa process, scholarship opportunities, and university life, I cover it all. Whether you're interested in pursuing a degree in computer science, engineering, or any other field, my channel will help you make informed decisions and set you up for success. So, if you're dreaming of studying in Germany, subscribe and join me on this exciting journey.